2013 Ford Explorer. The heater fan has been coming on and off when it wants to. So I tested the fan, we're getting power. I took the top cover off, which basically there's little snaps and you just pull it back with a screwdriver. And I blew this all out. It was filthy, absolutely filthy. So the moment of truth is going to be putting it back together and see if it spins under all of the controls. The low through high setting, temperature setting works because I did test that. So hang tight. So let's put all back together. It just snaps in. See the snaps? I did break this one, but it should be fine. Just to test it. If I need to, I'll put a piece of tape over that, but hang tight. Alright, back in the car. 2013. Let's start it. See if I can do both here. So it's on low. I'll shut it. Should stop. It was pretty dirty. So I'll turn it back on here. It's on. Apparently that's on high. It's low. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Holy Christmas. It's working now. Dang. It's working really good. And then it's totally off. Okay, now it's shut right off. There you have it. I mean, a new one, Rock Auto. What is it? Rock Auto is like 50 bucks. So online, you can get an OEM one for, I think it's like 100 bucks, but it's like through a junkyard or whatever. Well, that's working. It's pretty dirty. So I'll go to the other side and I'll recap here. So let me shut this off. We'll spin around here. Let's see. Do that right here. Okay, well, I might as well make a longer video. I'll probably do a short on this too, but so once you get everything out under here, you got to take the cover off. The cover is 3 bolts. 3 of these little guys. What is that? 8mm. That's 8mm. And then you've got the bigger one, which is right here. And this is for taking the motor off, which goes right in here. And I think that's a 10 maybe. No, that one's a 7. No, yeah, that's right. Yep. No, that's not a 7. What the heck's going on here? What do I do with it? Oh, it's right here on the end. Disregard that. So to take the blow motor off, it's an 8mm, okay? It's right up in here. Right there. You undo that bolt, and then you just take this whole thing after you unplug it, twist it, and pull it down. So what I did to test the sensor, which is right here, this one, the control sensitivity, your control settings, which is low through high. It is wired into this one. So I disconnected this, and you have two. Let's see if I can do it here. You got two prongs there. Take any bulb. See what I did here? Take any bulb, put a wire on each side, plug it in on one side, plug it in on the other side, and then turn your heater on low through high, and that bulb, to test that if your sensor's working, that means it's good. If this lights up and then it goes from dull to really high when you turn your setting all the way up, then you know that it's not a temperature control. I guess they call it a relay or a switch. So I knew that that wasn't the problem. And I figured it was probably the blower, but I figured I'd take it all apart first. And everything is clean on it. I mean, it's just, this car's got like 200,000 miles on it. It's been very well taken care of, but. So once you get it off, put it on the workbench, snap these back gingerly. You might even want to heat them up a little bit. It'll pop out. You might have to put your screwdriver in there a little bit. Same with this one. And you got another one here. And you got another one here. Do it gingerly. And you can see this one here. I broke this one. But I'm just going to put a piece of tape over that. You can use like Gorilla Tape, or just so no air comes out through there. But I don't think any air is going to come out. But I'll do it anyhow. And then this one, obviously, and that's where your plug goes. So then just reverse the process. So if you think your fan, your blower is shitting the bed, pardon my French, take this, especially if it's got high miles, take this apart and just be patient with it. The hardest part, believe it or not, is getting this cover off, which is right in through here. You gotta put your long adapter up in there, which is, I mean, it's doable. And then pull the whole thing out, remove the cover, and then pull this out and take it apart, blow it out with high compressor, which is what I did. But man, this thing is blowing some serious air now. So I hope that helps. I'm Chris. I'm at our house. We'll call it Opportunity Garage. I hope that helps. Let me know. Leave a comment. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap the bell. It'll help our channel grow. Man, I gotta shave. Woo! Doggy!